Low-Carb Donut Recipe Fluffy Keto Donuts. 6 ingredients. Say goodbye to sugary sacrifice with these fluffy keto donuts. Made with just 6 easy-to-find ingredients, this recipe delivers delightful donut satisfaction without the carb guilt. Bake up a batch in under 30 minutes and impress your low-carb, sweet-toothed friends and family. Ingredients: makes 10 to 12 donuts. 1½ cups almond flour. 1/4 cup granulated monk fruit sweetener, or erythritol. 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, optional. For chocolate donuts, 1½ teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 2 large eggs. 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon melted butter. ½ teaspoon vanilla extract. Optional toppings: keto-friendly icing. See recipe variations below. Melted sugar-free chocolate chips. Chopped nuts. Sugar-free sprinkles. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a donut pan generously with cooking spray or coconut oil. 2. Whisk the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the almond flour, sweetener, cocoa powder, if using, baking powder, and salt. 3. Combine the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, almond milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. 4. Wet meets dry. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and fold gently until just combined. Don't overmix. Overmixing can result in tough donuts. 5. Fill the donut pan. Transfer the batter to a piping bag or Ziploc bag with a corner snipped off. Pipe the batter evenly into the donut cavities, filling them about 3/4 full. 6. Bake to perfection. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 7. Cool and decorate. Let the donuts cool in the pan for 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now, get creative. Dip them in melted sugar-free chocolate, drizzle with keto icing, sprinkle with nuts or sugar-free sprinkles, or savor them plain for a touch of light sweetness. Variations: cinnamon sugar. For a classic donut taste, combine ½ cup powdered monk fruit sweetener and 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon in a shallow bowl. Coat the cooled donuts in the mixture. Vanilla glaze. Mix 1/4 cup powdered monk fruit sweetener with 1 to 2 tablespoons unsweetened almond milk and ½ teaspoon vanilla extract until smooth. Drizzle over cooled donuts. Chocolate glaze. Melt ½ cup sugar-free chocolate chips with 1 to 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Dip cooled donuts in the glaze and let cool on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Tips: use room temperature ingredients for the best results. If your batter is too thick, add a tablespoon or 2 more almond milk. Don't overfill the donut cavities, as they will rise slightly during baking. Store leftover donuts in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days. Enjoy your guilt-free donut indulgence. With this simple recipe, you can satisfy your cravings without compromising your low-carb lifestyle. Share your donut creations and tag us on social media.